One of the biggest reasons why you're unhappy is because deep down you know what you want, but you won't allow yourself to have it. So as you go about your life and you scroll through social media, you will inevitably bump into images or people who have the things that you'd like to have, or they're doing the things that you've always dreamt of doing. And instead of using that moment to inspire you to take action, you stop and you consider the thing that you want or the thing that you want to do, and then you tell yourself, it'll never happen for me. And in that second, you just gave up on yourself and on all the things that are actually meant for you in your life. Stop telling yourself it'll never happen for you. Because the reason why it's not happening is because you keep telling yourself it won't. The second you tell yourself it absolutely can happen for me, I just got to do the work, you will flip into a mode of taking action, and that's when you'll get it done.